Today I'm going to unbox and assemble the Vevor manual tire changer. I'm also going to do a possibly dangerous hillbilly mounting. So it's not something I recommend. I'm just going to show you how I do it without putting any bolts in any concrete. I do this so that the manual tire changer will remain actually portable. So I can move it from location to location, which you can't do if you bolt it to the concrete.
Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.
Okay, let's see what all we got in here. Get it laid out where we can make sense of it. So they sent the hardware for mounting it in the concrete and the hardware for assembling it. First part of the feet is right here, and notice this piece right here gets positioned straight out from here, from this piece. Oh, and it faces down like this. And yes, I put Loctite on all the bolts. This is the Loctite I use. $14 and $17. Now these little feet, doesn't matter which one of these holes you use. The bottom ends up looking like this. now that I've mounted this on a piece of plywood, in the next video, I'm going to attempt to demonstrate how this works without getting burnt, bruised, and bleeding. Now, in hopes of that happening, one of the things that I've done is I've selected a piece of plywood that's 3/4 inch thick. It is not OSB, and it is not press board, because I figure any of those, that's just going to pull the bolts right out of it. And it's 3/4 of an inch thick. The other thing that I've done is I've offset it from the rear, not to the very center, but a little bit offset towards the front, because when you're breaking down a tire, that's putting a lot of force this way on it. I want that to be sticking out the back so I can park the big Kubota, one of the back wheels of the big Kubota right there, to hold it down real good. So, like I said, next video, we'll see if I'm right, see if this works, or if I end up burnt, bruised, or bleeding again. The subscribe button is right there, and then you hit the bell and it'll appear down here, and you hit all. To see links in the description of the video, look below the video, you'll see more, and then the description pops up. To make the description go away after you've scrolled through and found the links that you want, the X. To hit like.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.